Hello and welcome to this short introduction to Awakast Blind CV generator. I will show you how to generate the blind, customize the design of it and download it for you to share it further. I'm Casper and without further ado, let's get into the topic. As you can see, here is the freshly created account, so it will be looking the same once you decide to create the test account on your own. Just navigate to Blind CV generator, and here you can see there is a form to fill. The thing that we will need to start with is obviously the the CV of the candidate to be blinded. So just drag and drop the file. It can be any format: PDF, Word, PowerPoint presentation. It can contain text, images, nothing to worry about. We will process that. Down here there are a few options to choose from. This will define the output blind CV. I will not describe them right now. I encourage you to test and to choose the ones that you find most suitable for your use case. The important one is the language over here, because it doesn't matter what language the CV you've uploaded is in. It can be in Polish, German, French, Hindu, any language that the candidate has sent the CV to you, but you can select the output language or your own. The default is English, and I will leave it as it is. Once you've got everything set, simply click the generate blind, and after a few seconds of the pipeline running, you will get the results of the blind CV. Voila! Here you can see the blinded version of the CV that I have just uploaded. Let's go through the sections that are over here. All the blind profiles comes with the profile summary. It's a short description of the candidate, his skills, his achievements, anything important from the candidate or the recruiter perspective can be found in the profile summary. If the candidate hasn't provided one in his own CV, it will be generated automatically. Employment history, the bullet points, the company information and positions and the time, all is extracted straight from the CV. Key skills list, education, certificates, and the languages that the candidate has mentioned in the CV. Everything can be adjusted, so you can edit all the sections over here. Simply add a new bullet point for this employment enter, or add some description that you would like to include there. Same goes for education, certificates, skills list. Simply edit, add, or delete that you would like to see on the final version of the blind CV. The important sections over here is the custom section, where we find users to include informations like the salary expectation, the availability, or the location of the candidate. For the demo purposes, I have created something here, just to show the feature. Once you input any text over here, you can bold it, italic version, or just customize it as well over here. It will be generated on the blind as you can expect it. The same here goes for the custom section on the bottom. The users tend to put some contact information for the reference contact in their company for this blind profile. Cool. How to customize it? So how to set the background image and how to customize the style of the blind. To do that, simply navigate to customize blind CV, and here we got navigated to the organization settings, where we can set where we can design our blind. Here you can select the default version for the blind CV generating options. So once you set them, you do not have to set them each and every time once you generate the blind. For the background image, you can select ones of the predefined over here, or browse through our Canva examples. Simply copy them, add your custom logo, contact informations, then download it in the PNG format and upload it over here. I have one created for the Awakast for this demo purposes. I will simply drag and drop it here, upload it, and as you can see, it looks just gorgeous over here. And cool. And once we got the background set, let's continue. Here is the title. The important feature over here is that you can use some of the extracted information from the candidate. So we can use the name, surname, and email that is mentioned in the candidate CV. just to show you quickly how it works. Okay, you can see the demo is test here placed underneath the title. Further crucial settings is the document padding. Once you upload your custom background image, you will most likely have to adjust the spacing over here. As you can see, there is a lot of space over here. Let me quickly remove that to shrink the top padding to 80 pixels, and as you can see, it's just fixed perfectly, and we will use the space efficiently. You can add dividers beside the sections if you find them useful, and for each and every text that is included in the blind, you can customize the font size, weight, style, alignment, and the color of it. When I speak all the sections, I truly mean all the sections. Everything can be customized and adjusted to your very own needs. The cool features here is that you can, for this custom sections that I show you, where I put the salary expectations and stuff, you can define the default parameters over here, so that will be pre-filled for all the newly generated blinds. So once you generate a blind, you only have to copy, or you only have to fill the proper values over here. And other interesting feature is the titles section over here, where you can customize the titles for the sections and customize them also for other languages. Once you've done with all the design changes, simply save settings and let's get them tested. So yeah, I will just upload some other profile that I got over here, upload it. Yeah, default settings are in. Generally blind, few seconds, and I will be presented with a ready to share PDF file of this candidate. Voila, as you can see, the blind CV of Adam, expertise, employment history, key skills, education, languages. All I need to do is to just download it and share wherever you need to share the blind CV to. All the blind CVs are saved and can be viewed later, and can be easily edited, accessed, or deleted once you no longer need it. The blind CVs are shared within your organizations, so if you add more users to your organizations, then all of the users can see the blind CV that you have generated. So that's it for this short demo. I think that you now know how easy it is to generate blind and how you can save hours of manual work thanks to this simple automation. If you have any questions, please contact us. I will be very happy to help. Sign up for the free trial and test on your very own CVs. Stay tuned. Bye.